Good morning vlog! Happy December 2! So today is a Monday. I got up early para mag-ready kasi kita niyo naman nakakulot ako and para mag-makeup kasi we have a shoot today sa school lang naman for our Christmas Station ID sa US Angelicum and I'm one of the talents. Ayun, I decided to do another vlogmas kasi last year, di ba, nag-vlogmas ako. Feeling ko maraming ganap ang December. Well, marami naman talagang ganap ang December because it's Christmas season. Pero bukod doon, it's also my birth month. Hopefully, maraming ganap. Kasi lagi lang ako nasa bahay gumagawa ng thesis. Pero yes, magdi-defend na kami this Wednesday, which tingnan natin kung kaya natin i-vlog. After ng thesis, hopefully makagala na ako. I will bring you guys with me this week. Ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga mangyayari this week. Sa ngayon, magpunta muna tayo sa school for the shoot kasi baka malate ako.
Everybody knows Christmas is coming. Thank one and all. Time to hang your stockings, baby, and have yourself a ball. People all over this big world are getting ready to play. Kissing under the mistletoe and rocking the night away. So let's dance, baby. Let's wait the night away. Baby, hold me close, 'cause in our hearts Christmas is here to stay. Snowflakes falling gentle and bright, candles glow in the winter night, family's laughter fills the air.
Tapos itusin mo? Nagbibideo ka pala pang my day, sorry.
So we just finished our shoot. Ngayon, uwi naman na ako kasi I need to prepare for our defense tomorrow morning. 6:30 na yata. Tapos ang defense namin is 7:30. So, yeah. I have to get ready for tomorrow. And kakain muna ako before I go home. Bye! Hello vlog! Happy December 4! So, katatapos lang namin mag-defend. Na-defend namin yung topic namin. Minor revisions na lang. Ipapasa na namin siya for final thesis, final paper. 2 hours ng tulog ko at gutom na gutom ako. As in, kanina na nagde-defend kayo, Pia. Natutulog ako dito sa likod. Hindi ko talaga kaya.
Tinitignan kita, minsan pala po lang kaya.
So, I bought food from 7-Eleven. Gusto ko sana yung kinain ko sa 7-Eleven na spam with kimchi rice. Hinahanap ko siya. Ilang beses ko nang binabalikan sa 7-Eleven, wala. So, ito na lang binili ko. And today, agenda namin is exam na naman. Parang yung last vlog ko, nag-exam din ako sa Spanish. Ngayon, exam na naman. Finals naman. So, later yon 4 p.m. 4 to 7. And magto-12 pa lang. So, ang tagal pa. Pero magre-review kami later sa cafe. Ngayon, kakain lang muna kami dito sa APR. Expectation versus reality. Yes. Yeah. Wala, parang pre? Maxwell. Kasi hindi ka muna mapasok sa school.